Hi, I'm Ed Nwakati, founder and CEO of RedSwan CRE, the fastest growing fintech commercial real estate platform on the planet. RedSwan to date has posted $2.6 billion of high quality commercial real estate on the blockchain for investment. We are digitizing assets to make real estate more accessible, more affordable, and more liquid. Never before has this been an opportunity, but RedSwan is seizing this opportunity and leading the industry. To date, we have over 3,000 accredited investors on our registered platform. This is a 290% increase over last year. We're also proud of the fact that we've just generated $720,000 of top-end revenue year to date. This is a major increase over last year. RedSwan is also pleased to announce that we have opened an office in Lagos, Nigeria, and our Nigerian platform will be launching next week. Nigeria is the largest GDP in the continent of Africa, with over 208 million residents now using the e-Naira as their form of fiat digital currency. This is an opportunity for the entire West African community to grow and expand into digital assets. RedSwan is there to meet that demand. We're raising $5 million in capital through a regulated crowdfunding platform with our partners Seed Invest. This is a fully vetted platform opportunity for you to invest and own a piece of our emerging company. Get it now, don't wait too long, because soon more institutional investors will be joining our capitalization and the price point may be out of reach for some of you. We hope that you take advantage of the situation because RedSwan is growing fast, and this will be an opportunity for you not only to learn more about this exciting technology and what's happening in the world today, but also so you can start investing and having your own digital asset investment portfolio. Look forward to seeing you. Thank you very much.